pulling lots of power. Oh boy, 11,000 watts. It's crazy. We're running all the ACs in here. Yeah, okay, it's okay. The AC's running. It's a hot one again. Holy smokes. I noticed that the Leaf does brake a lot better in the heat. But I mean, we're only talking about a few degrees difference. We made lots of power today. Still making lots of power. Doing pretty good. We're running both sets of inverters again, just because I'm making so much power I can't use it with just the magnesigns. So, well, I could if I used it all day. But this is running the house and the dryer. This is running all the ACs that project to the computers, this room, and the garage. Like always, that's what it does. I switched back from just using one inverter. We got a new breaker panel. I don't know if I showed you guys this. I don't know why it doesn't fit these breakers right. It said online that this was all supposed to work, but it didn't. But it was fairly cheap, so I didn't bother returning it. You still can't get your finger in there, so it's alright. But I got the EV charger for the car, 20 amp dual pole. And this is just for the bedroom and stuff. We got an issue here with this. I got another BMS from a subscriber. He ordered a 24S when he needs a 32S. I guess mine is a 32S. I could just swap them, but I think he bought a new one already. With this, what I did on the app on my phone, I'm filming with my phone, but what I did, because this wire, the max you can really safely do is about 40 amps. So what I did was, in the app, I limited the current to 40 amps with a 5-second delay. So if this goes 40 amps for over 5 seconds, this cuts off all charge. All charge or discharge, either way. That's what I set it to. Well, I'm going to have to change that. Now with the added solar panels to the system, I only added 750 more watts, but we had so much power coming in that this saw more than 40 amps for more than 5 seconds on the charge side, because the charge side is what tripped, not the output side. So this is off, and look at, we're sitting at, oh, wrong button there. Where is it here? Oh yeah, here it says charge MOSFETs off. That should be on, so that turned off. We're sitting here at, where's my voltage? It's easy. They're 58 volts. So these are fairly dead, close to dead. The rest of my system is sitting at 63.6 volts. And this one is saying 63.9 volts. So we got a 0.6 volt drop in the 3/0 cable. And yeah, making oodles of power today. Happy. We're probably going to hit well over 40 kilowatts of power, or 40 kilowatt hours, mind. And everything's just working fantastic. I'm really happy with the system. Super happy with it. And yeah, I got a new, well, it's one of my projects I've been wanting to do for a while, and I haven't done it yet, but we're going to have some new stuff happening here. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, helps a lot. Well, we're nearing the end of our production period. These are the panels that are on the very front of my house. There's about 1,500 watts that they're making. About 860. These are the ones that are on my garage roof. That's about 1,200 watts, I believe they were, and no, maybe 1,300 watts, making 475. It's doing alright. We got 17.3 kilowatt hours there, 22.1 kilowatt hours here. We'll probably see 23 here, most likely. So we made about 40 kilowatts almost by the end of today. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. This is the end of the day. I purposely drained my batteries down to 58 volts, and I reconnected that battery bank there with that BMS that disconnected. And so now I'm also running the generator out in the garage, just because I have two large 9,000 watt generators and the one hasn't been run in months. So I'm running that just for about 20 minutes just to give that a nice little workout. Use a little bit of gasoline so I can throw some more stabilizer in there to keep the jets clean and everything. We finished off making almost 23 kilowatt hours here and 17.6 kilowatt hours here. So we made a good chunk of power today. I'm pretty happy with that. And we are charging. We are also charging the batteries, just because why run the thing if you're not going to put it to work? So I don't waste any more dinosaur juice than necessary. We are charging. We were at over 100 amps going into the batteries at 57 volts, but every time something turns on in the house, it takes away from my charging capabilities. I have this set up very nice. It runs that generator at almost maximum, about a 500 watts from max. So it's working quite hard. And I really like those Champion generators. They're really nice generators, and these Magnasigns are just fantastic. They charge so nicely, they run so nicely. Everything about them is fantastic. I recommend these completely. Love these things. Yeah. Okie dokie, darling. I had this thing cut out again. Same thing. I even upped it to 45 amps, and when charging this saw more than 45 amps, so it shut down. So I doubled up the wire and set it to 80 amps, and I'm just syncing this back with the system. The system is what voltage is. Come on, focus. 60 volts, I think it is. Yeah, 60.7 volts. This one is 59.2 volts. Got 68.3 amps going in at 4,000 watts. So yeah, look at that, 4,000 watts going in. And it's not heating up, nothing like that. So yeah, it's looking good. I really like this BMS. That's why I got another one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Pretty sunny day outside. This is what the 16 kilowatt hour bank of batteries is doing. This is the LG Chemistries, I believe, and this is out of Chrysler Pacifica battery. This is 2018 is what I was told. 2018 or 2017, I can't remember. 2,200 watts going into these batteries, and then we're back to using the Magnasigns and the reliable inverter, just because I found I was still pulling too much power, so I need to run the 8,000 watt reliable inverter, and I need to run the 8,800 watt twin inverter setup here. We are making 4,000 watts here and 3,200 watts here. Well over 100 amps coming in. We get 65.7, and we got 53 amps-ish coming in here. Got quite a bit of power coming in. The batteries are just absorbing it like crazy. This BMS has the shortest run of wire. So this one gets the warmest. That is these 12 batteries here. Everything else is evenly. No, actually, this one's fairly warm too for charging at this. Not when I say warm, I mean just a bit warmer than my body temperature. This is probably like maybe 105 or something, maybe 102. These ones down here, these ones are not warm because they have a longer run of wire. The load is distributed slightly different. These two here, they take the brunt, but that's okay. These are designed differently anyways. These are super high C rating and low capacity cells, and I got 12 of them together, so these could output thousands of amps. Same with these. These can actually output less amps, but much higher capacity. So these are kind of a buffer. They could take the brunt out of everything, but that's okay. Everything's doing good. Even the Nissan Leaf BMS is cool. At these, oh, we went up here. We got 4,200 here, and we got 3,400 here. So we got some decent power coming in. Oh, we got a cloud or something. So we're probably getting some cloud edge effect. Anyways, I want to get some more solar panels, and both of these are maxed out, completely maxed out. So I'm going to get what's it called, eSmart 3 60 amp. I'm going to test that out on my main system. I'm going to max that sucker out as well, so I can get another about 50 amps of power and see how that goes. Anyways, just an update. Thanks for watching.